up, curl my hair, get dressed. Now I have 20 minutes to do my makeup. Thankfully, I got my makeup down to a T, so I can do it really quick. I did these nails the other day. I'm obsessed. I love being able to do your nails from home. I can't stop looking at them. I'm so obsessed with them. Let's do my makeup. Honestly, I don't like this angle, so let's move it to the front. Good morning. I can actually speak at full volume now because I didn't want to accidentally wake my boyfriend up. It's not even 6 a.m. yet. I was rushing out the door because if I didn't leave at the minute that I left, I would have missed my transport. I forgot to grab my breakfast on the way out and nothing is open, and I really don't want to go into a whole shift on an empty stomach, but I might have to because literally nothing is open, like not for another hour. That's a huge bummer. I will say though, when my alarm went off this morning, I was in full REM sleep. Like I was so deep in a dream when it went off, which is brutal, but we're on that grind. I woke up at 4 a.m. yesterday too. Thankfully, I don't have to wake up that early tomorrow. 2 days in a row, 4 a.m. wake up. Like I said, we're on the grind. We're getting it done. The nice thing is I'm off before 3. So I feel like I have most of the day to still like do stuff, which is nice. Oh my gosh, everything is closed. I found an orange. So for the time being, I'm gonna have that and then I'll make a coffee in a second. But I wanted to film a 4 a.m. day in my life because I'm gonna start doing them a lot more. Last time I did a 4 a.m. vlog on TikTok, I got a lot of positive feedback. Waking up at 4 a.m. day in my life. I will say yesterday was pretty good. Like I went and worked out after. I did oxygen hydroxy therapy, went home, immediately made dinner, showered, did my nighttime skincare, and went to bed. So it was actually kind of like a very healthy way of doing it. I don't know if getting up at 4 a.m. like I think maybe like 6 or 7 is good. So welcome to a 4 a.m. day in my life. Like that, it's 3:15 and I made it to the gym, but I don't want to be here right now. I'm gonna be so honest, I don't want to be here. I just walked 15 minutes on the treadmill. So, and yesterday I did hit a hard, like a good leg workout, but I think today I don't want to hit any machines. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of like little yoga Pilates, a little bit of mat work. We'll see how long I last in the gym. I'm exhausted, but I'm trying to push myself to be the best version of myself that I can be. I also want to have a donkey for summer, so that's why I'm here. Anyway, I tried a new foundation this morning. Where did it go? Where is it? Like, why is a whole patch missing on my forehead? Literally what? So I'm dealing with that right now. I just made it home and I'm gonna run to the grocery store really quick and pick up some groceries so I can make dinner. But I wish I could just go take my makeup off and crawl into bed and go to sleep. But I really wanna make a good dinner tonight. Like, I'm just craving a good homemade dinner. Let's do a quick grocery store run. I'm back from the store. My intention was to film and bring you guys along, but it was so busy in there. And then I just got in the zone that I forgot. Like, I full brought my camera. I wasn't even gonna film on my phone. I brought my camera. And then I didn't get anything. I was in and out of there. I can't decide if I want to shower and then cook or if I want to cook and then shower. Like, because now that my forehead's missing, part of me just wants to like take my makeup off, shower, you know what I mean? Change into pajamas and then be so cozy when I'm cooking. And the more that I'm talking about that, the more that I'm like, that's actually what's about to happen. Nobody talks about how in Europe, when you grocery shop, you bag your food yourself. The stress, like if you do a good grocery haul, the stress of like putting everything on the counter and then standing there at the end and having to put everything in your bag so that people aren't like, I don't know how people do it so quick. I just feel so bad if people are like standing there waiting and then I'm just like taking forever to put my stuff in the bag, you know what I mean? Because then people are just like standing there and they're like, does this bitch not know how to bag her groceries? And I'm like, no, I'm American. We don't even bag our own groceries. I'm actually shocked at how good I feel right now. I was expecting to be on the decline, but for some reason I'm actually kind of okay right now. But I have a feeling after I shower and then cook, that's when we're gonna see the decline. But you know what, I'm really proud of myself because that was 2 days in a row. I got up at 4 a.m, worked full shifts and went to the gym after and cooked dinner and still stayed consistent on my content and my social media on every platform. Honestly, I'm proud of myself. No, you guys, they've been out of sour cream. And the reason why we've been on the hunt for sour cream is because we so badly want ranch. Like, we found ranch packets and we are hoping it's somewhere near to the taste of American ranch. Like, I miss ranch so much, like a good ranch with fries. Like, the fries here are actually unreal. The only thing that they're missing is ranch. Please give me some ranch. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to start walking around with those little packets and some sour cream in my purse all the time so I can just whip up some ranch. I'm gonna, I think, literally shower, change into the comfiest White Fox sweatsuit ever, and make a bomb-ass dinner. And then go to bed. I feel rejuvenated. Also, oh my gosh, my hair is so dark. I feel like it hasn't been this dark in so long. What a long winter will do to you. I feel like when I was in Arizona, my hair was so blonde, like year round, but that's because I was always in the sunshine and in the pool. Now I'm in long winters again and my hair is gonna get so dark during the winter. I'm gonna make dinner now. I think I'm gonna make tacos. Please look at how good that looks. Oh my gosh. 10:33. I know, I'm shocked. I'm shocked I've made it this far into the night, considering that I have to get up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. But 6 a.m. is gonna feel like sleeping into me now. I just spent the last little time after dinner going through some emails from social media and responding to those. And then I also FaceTimed with my mom, which felt so nice. Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna put in some snippets of Valentine's Day. I told you guys I would come back on Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, beauties. Wait, okay, I just got off of an 8-hour shift, so it's not gonna look as pristine as it did this morning when I freshly did it, but look at my hair. It's a heart. I recreated something I saw on Pinterest and I thought it was so cute, but I wanted to come on here and say that by the time this video is up, I will be hosting a Valentine's Day giveaway with Too Faced for you guys to win up to $500 in Too Faced makeup. I know. We wanted to spread the love this Valentine's Day season. You guys can enter my giveaway. It's on my Instagram. My username's here. And it will have 24 hours left by the time that this video is up to enter into the giveaway. If you're watching this video and it's past the 24-hour mark and the giveaway is closed, still follow my Instagram because I do host giveaways all the time, honestly. And I am a smaller creator, so you do have a really big chance of winning. Definitely follow, enter, and if you didn't make it for this one, you'll make it for another one, and at least you'll be there and ready to enter right away then. But yeah, I just want to let you know I have to rush now to go change for a little date night for Valentine's Day, but I love you guys so much, and definitely go enter into that giveaway if you can, because $500 of Too Faced makeup is amazing. Anyway, I love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day!